Zonguldak, the land of black diamonds and green forests. Merhaba, my name is Denise, and this is my cousin Bora. We are taking you on a grand tour of Zonguldak, a special province tucked right against the Black Sea coast of Turkey. Look at that deep blue water. Zonguldak is famous for its history, its deep forests, and its incredible seaside views. Before we explore the green hills, we must talk about Zonguldak's black diamond. For over 170 years, this region has been Turkey's center for coal mining. Coal built the city. Miners worked hard, deep underground, shaping the province's identity. Can you imagine digging that deep? It's hard to believe that right next to the busy port, we find such lush nature. Zonguldak is nicknamed the land of coal and forests. Everywhere you look, the mountains are covered in thick trees. Let's head inland and see how green it gets. Our first big stop is Gökgöl Cave, near the city center. It's a hidden underground world. Inside, it's cool and damp, and light bounces off enormous stalactites hanging from the ceiling and stalagmites rising from the floor. They look like giant, melted candles. Zonguldak is perfect for nature lovers. We spend hours hiking the trails, especially in the Yeniz forests, which have spectacular canyons and bridges. We love to stop and listen. All you can hear is the rushing water and the rustle of the wind in the trees. Time to leave the deep forest and travel west to a beautiful coastal district called Karadeniz Eregli. This town is not just pretty, it's ancient. It was once called Heraklia Pontica, named after the legendary hero Hercules. In Eregli, we find the famous Çehennemagzi caves. Legend says these 3 caves were the entrance to the underworld, where Hercules completed one of his most challenging tasks, capturing the 3-headed dog, Cerberus. It's history mixed with myth. The sea air makes us hungry. After exploring caves, we love watching the fishing boats come in with their daily catch. Seafood is a must-try here. It reminds us that Zonguldak is always defined by the powerful Black Sea, no matter how deep the coal mines go. Zonguldak is a place of contrast. You can learn about the hardworking miners who brought up the black gold, and then hike through a forest so green it looks painted. It's history, nature, and myth, all wrapped up into one incredible province. If you ever travel to Turkey, look beyond the usual spots. Come and explore the rugged beauty, the welcoming towns, and the deep history of Zonguldak. Güle güle. We hope to see you soon.